Hello everyone, my name is Akshat Sharma. My roll number is 21HS10009 and I am from section 14. Today I am representing my DIY assignment 2 in which I have made a security alarm Tinkercard website. So first of all, I'll go to the component where I select the Arduino, and in the Arduino I have selected the Arduino board as blink, which is here you can see, and then I would require a buzzer. The basic I have selected this piezo, which is also a buzzer, and then this PIR sensor, which will sense the movement. And now in the structure we can see this PIR sensor have three terminals. One is signal, other is power, and third is ground. So first of all, I've connected this ground wire, ground of the PIR sensor, to the ground of the Arduino board, and the power of the PIR sensor to the 5 volt in the Arduino board. And then I have connected the signal wire of the PIR sensor to the 2 volt above in the Arduino board in the D2, as you can see here. Here we have a buzzer. The buzzer has two terminals, the positive terminal and the negative terminal. I have connected the positive terminal to the 13 volt in the Arduino board and the negative terminal to the ground one, so that and now we have to select the code here. So for selecting the code, first of all, we will take the output. Going to the output, we will select this one, print to serial monitor hello world, and then we are going to take the input. We are taking the real digital pin, place it over hello world. Now, since we have connected to D2, we will select the pin here as 2. And now we need to have the control, and for this if else statement would be the better. So we are selecting if else statement, and for this if else statement, now we will definitely require mathematics since we are talking in analog method. Then selecting it, and now we need the real digital pin, placing it here, selecting it to be 2 so that our buzzer would blink. Now going to the output, selecting the settings as a default so that our buzzer could work as per we want, selecting 13 here, 13. Now our code is completed, and now we will start the stimulation of this buzzer. Let me hide it. Start the simulation. It is initializing. Now here we can see, we can hear the voice if person is moving here. If the person is stopped, the buzzer automatically gets stopped. We can also see it through the code in the serial monitor. Here the object is not moving, so these readings are 0 0 0, but as it starts to move, see the reading goes to 1. So this is how our sensor will work. Thank you very much.